Hi, my name is Elliot Cliff Anna Akim, and my matrix number is 98767. I'm the first presenter. I will talk about igneous rocks. There are two groups of igneous rock, namely plutonic and volcanic. Andesite is one specific type of plutonic rock, forming when lava erupts to the surface and crystallizes quickly. Andesite is a fine-grained igneous rock. The tint of this bluish gray rock is Icelandite in type, touch sensitive in general. It is one of the oldest rocks with a high silica concentration. Affinitic to porphyritic texture is another feature. Paving stones, monuments, and other constructions materials are frequently made of these stones. The igneous rock known as volcanic rocks, which include adamellite, are a sort of monzogranite that are generated when lava or magma cools and solidifies. Numerous hues and patterns are offered for this stone. Hardness-wise, it is one of the strongest, oldest, and hardest rocks available. Moreover, the texture is porphyritic. Because of its strength and beauty, it is similar to monzogranite and is frequently used for building and ornamental stones. Some applications for these stones include gravestones and gemstones. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Delia Ashira Marile Janito and my metric number is 97361. I'll be talking about sedimentary rocks, which are classified into two groups, clastic and non-clastic. So, a clastic sedimentary rock form from fine-grained particles like clay and silt. These particles produced by weathering and erosion of pre-existing rocks are transported by water or wind to low-energy environments such as river deltas, floodplains, lakes, and deep-sea basins. Over time, these sediments are buried and undergo lithification, where water is expelled and minerals like clay binds the particles together. Shoal often contain fossil, offering a glimpse into ancient life. It also crucial in the energy industry, such as storage of rock for oil and natural gas. Additionally, its fine layer known as lamination can reveal past environmental conditions. Chert, a non-clastic sedimentary rocks, is primarily formed from the silica-rich remains of marine organisms like diatoms and radiolarians. These remains accumulate on the ocean floor and transport into chert through compaction and cementations. Chert can also form from silica-rich fluid in environments like hot spring and hydrothermal vents. Found mainly in all oceanic basins, chert form extensive strata or nodules within sedimentary layers. Notably, chert was used by ancient humans to make tools and weapons due to its hardness and ability to fracture conchoidally. Geologically, chert often occurs alongside other sedimentary rocks, providing insights into past sedimentary environments and geochemical conditions. That's all from me.
Hello, my name is Geraldine Reza Ajan with matrix number 97422. I am going to present about metamorphic rocks, and from our visit, I chose two rocks which are hornfels and skids. Metamorphic rocks are formed through the transformation of pre-existing rocks under the influence of high pressure, high temperature, or chemically active fluids. These processes lead to physical and chemical changes in the original rocks, resulting in new mineral assemblages and texture. Hornfels is formed by the contact metamorphism of shale or other clay-rich rocks, causing by the intense heat from an intruding magma body without significant pressure or deformation, resulting hard rock with a fine-grained texture. This transformation typically occurs at the contact zone between the magma and the surrounding rock, causing the mineral within the original rock to recrystallize. Hornfels is typically dark brown to black in colors and contains minerals such as quartz, feldspar, and mica. Structurally, it is a fine-grained dense and hard with a non-foliated texture. Resistant to weathering, Hornfels is a durable rock, and due to its high strength, it is excellent to use in construction. Its physical properties include a fine-grained texture with no visible crystals, a lack of bedding due to its contact metamorphic origin, and a luster that is often dull to slightly shiny, contributing to its unique appearance. Next is schist, which formed by regional metamorphism of sedimentary or igneous rocks under high pressure and temperature, resulting in pronounced foliation. This process involves the recrystallization of minerals and the alignment of platy minerals like mica, creating layered and banded structure. Schist typically forms during mountain building process and exhibits a wide range of colors, commonly silver, gray, or greenish. It is rich in minerals like mica, chlorite, and talc. Structurally, schist is foliated with distinct layer and bending, making it susceptible to weathering, especially if rich in micas. It can be used in construction with careful assessments. Schist has a medium to coarse-grained texture with visible crystals, a distinctive banded appearance, and a shiny luster due to mica.
Hello, my name is Adeline Jensina Anak Haley with the matrix number of 97201. And now I will present to you about mineral which consists of three categories. The first category is the metallic categories, which I chose quartz gold ore. For the second category is semi-precious category, which I have chose barytes as my best choice. And last but not least, for the non-metallic categories, I chose agate as it attracts my opinions. And now let's talk about quartz gold ore. Quartz veins are popular places to find gold. They form when hot, gold-rich fluid fill cracks in the earth crust. As the fluid cools, gold particles settles in the quartz. These veins are often mined for gold using underground or open pit methods. Quartz gold ore is known for its high gold concentrations, making it different from other quartz-rich rocks and ores. Gold-bearing quartz veins with low mineral diversity can sometimes be mistaken for quartz gold ore. This ore is highly valued for gold extractions due to its richness in gold. Additionally, gold-bearing quartz veins are also used for decorative and gemstone purposes. And now for semi-precious. I chose barite for my semi-precious categories. Barite is typically known in lead zinc veins in limestone, hot spring deposits, and with hematite ore. It is frequently linked with the mineral anglesite and celestine. It is never used in a jewelry because of its exceptionally low hardness and distinct cleavage, making it difficult to mold into a gem. And last but not least, I chose agate for my non-metallic categories. Agate is a banded type of chalcedonies and quartz. Quartz commonly in the earth crust, which is made of silicons and oxygen. Chalcedonies is quartz with tiny, invisible crystal. Although it's a mix of tiny morganite and quartz crystals, it has the same chemical compositions as the quartz. Agate is known for its thin, often translucent bands that form patterns like concentric rings. Agate is used to craft ornament items like pins and brooches, as well as functional tools such as paper knives, inkstands, seals, and mortars with pestle because of its durability and resistance to acids.
Hi to Madam, my name is Gabriel Saka Anodona with matrix number 83919. Now I'm going to present to you about fossils, which are microfossil and trace fossil. Fossil wood and also Micracanthosauros species indeed, which are I have been taking picture and gain some knowledge from last technical visit to Museum Geoscience last month. So, the first one is fossil wood. The species of fossil wood is ficus and have been located at Kapit. The ash is ocean. The paleo environment for fossil wood is rapid burial. And as you can see in this picture, the color is brown, the texture is polished, the hardness, hard and durable, and the weight is found that the weight of fossil wood is heavier than the original, and the structure is microscopic. So, the fossil wood begin when trees are buried by sediments such as volcanic ash, mud, or sand. The rapidly buried with no oxygen prevent the wood from decomposing. The wood also will undergo spine mineralization, which is the material inside the wood will change with other mineral such as calcites. Uh, Fossil wood is useful for study to study the climate conditions, evolution of plant life, and ancient habitat. Instead of that, the fossil wood can be used to jewelry as a jewelry, decorative item, and due to its unique beauty and variety of colors, fossil wood can be as a collectible item. The last one is trace fossils, which is Micracanthosaurus species in that. The species of this fossil is Evolutum. The location is Kuching Serian Road. The age is between late Cretaceous and Turonian stage. Paleo environment is sedimentary deposit and marine setting. In this picture, you can see that the color is gray, the texture is preserved detail, and the hardness, we're using more hardness measurement, which is 3, and the weight is small to medium. The structures, ribs, and suture patterns. These fossils present in marine sedimentary rocks such as marshall and limestone. Uh, it been deposited in ancient continental shelves and shallow oceans. These fossils undergo rapid burial and low oxygen levels, slowing the decay and scavenging of these fossils. So the use of this fossil is as a paleo-environmental and biostratigraphic research, and it also display in museum as education, general education for public. That's all from us. Thank you.